Hey folks, Adam here. And as somebody who travels the globe, I've been using the Plaud Note ever since its crowdfunding days. Whether I'm having meetings, or I'm having conference calls, or I just need something to jot down a few notes, well, guess what? This thing has been great for me. Whether I'm using it in a hotel room, or even out here, it's been something that allows me to get the job done much easier. Now they've come out with the Plaud Note Pro. I'm very excited about this because this is something that they're saying is going to really up my level of doing business. So let's go ahead, compare the Pro with the original. We're going to go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right about now. Now, of course, folks, at their core, the Plaud Note and the Plaud Note Pro share the same DNA. They're compact portable recorders that pair to the Plaud app to provide accurate transcripts and summaries of conversations. At their heart, both models are designed for the same main case: in-person and offline meetings. Think of staff meetings, client discussions, or brainstorming sessions where details matter. While they can record phone calls, that's just a secondary feature. The real power lies in replacing your reliance on memory or frenetic note-taking and turning it into searchable transcripts. Hey Watson, I've got my new Plaud Note Pro for our meeting. Do you mind if I just go ahead and turn it on and have it take notes for us so we can come back to this later?
Yeah, go ahead. Sounds good.
All right, folks. This is really cool that we can go ahead and use this to take notes during our business meetings. Watson and I have meetings like every single morning, production meetings about our videos and all sorts. We get together with the whole team, and this has made it to where those notes are cleanly, we're able to do them word for word, and then it's able to give us a little summary, particularly to-do lists and things going on. So Watson, which videos are we going to work on first? I would think probably the Plaud Note Pro, right?
Yeah, Plaud Note Pro, and then we have a pet water fountain, and then a vacuum cleaner.
All right, this is perfect. So this is all getting stored, and now we have notes easily available on our smart device. All right, so the standard Plaud Note is already more than enough for most users. However, the Plaud Note Pro has some really cool features and upgrades that justify it being an extra $20. So first and foremost, it has that screen and user interface. The Pro includes a small screen that displays battery life at a glance. No more guessing if you'll run out of battery halfway through a meeting. This smooth interface for the device makes it easier and more assuring. No more battery anxiety. You have more peace of mind. In addition, the Plaud Note Pro has 4 microphones for superior audio. The standard Note records well in quiet rooms, but the Pro takes things a whole nother step further. With 4 built-in microphones instead of 2, it captures voices from a wider range and applies some noise reduction. That can be very important in, loud environments. If you're trying to record in a Starbucks or maybe in a busy meeting room, this gets rid of unavoidable background noise and makes it crystal clear to all users. So those 4 microphones really make a big difference. It also has automatic mode switching. Yeah, what does that mean? Well, if you've ever forgotten to toggle from the meeting mode to the call mode, this solves it for you, ensuring you don't have to miss a key moment. It's the small change that really makes this more effective for everyday use. And also coming soon is that Apple Find My, so you don't have to worry about misplacing it. It's got all those features covered for you. So folks, one of the things I like most about this is being able to use it to capture conference calls. Because as you know, a lot of us work from home and we're in conference calls all the time. People will make promises, say they'll deliver X, Y, or Z in front of the boss, and then they never do it. So now we're able to put that easily, get a transcript, put it into notes, summarize it, etc., and we can hold people accountable for what they said. And that's a real thing, because I don't want some of these guys saying, oh yeah, we'll deliver that next week, and then saying, well, I never said that.
Country now is clearing.
And folks, I have it muted right now, but a nice thing about this is even though I'm in a big conference call with, 23, 24 people, including myself, this is a real world conference call. I can have this go ahead and identify individual voices and make sure it drowns out the unnecessary noises in the background, and we're able to get a really, really good transcript and summary of this in a matter of minutes. I can't imagine trying to write down all these notes and then passing it on to everyone to make sure I didn't miss everything. The Pro does, again, a great job identifying and getting rid of background noise for big meetings like this. And folks, even though there's a background noise out here outside, I love that I can use this for my brainstorming sessions, for video ideas, for review ideas, for finance and accounting, whatever I may be doing. I can use this and it'll get rid of those background noises, the birds, the ducks, the sirens, the chainsaws across the lake and things, and it's able to hear everything easily and conveniently and keep notes on what I'm doing. And folks, just a quick note, this connects easily and charges efficiently using a magnetic connection, a very smart design, the other end just being a USB-C. All right, folks, alongside the release of the Note Pro, the Plaud app is getting a major upgrade. The official version, launching in October, will feature smoother syncing, better transcript handling, and improved summary functions. This means both the Note and the Note Pro will benefit regardless of the hardware you choose. The long-term version of the Plaud is clearer, hardware and software working hand in hand to make memory more reliable, meetings more productive, and communication less stressful. It's really about long-term trust. Since its crowdfunding debut, Plaud has steadily built a reputation for reliability. Early backers have used the Note for months, praising its ability to deliver accurate transcripts with minimal fuss. The Pro builds on that trust by layering in small but meaningful updates. It's not about reinventing the wheel, it's about refining the ride. And folks, let's just take a second to show you how cool this is with the device and everything. You've got the option for the unlimited plan. We've got 1,200 minutes. You have private cloud sync on, a template community, which is really, really cool. So you've got monthly budgeting, classes, all sorts of fun different meeting secretary, all sorts of different templates you can make your own. Autopilot to adaptively adjust, reasoning, discussion, class, lectures, consulting, discussion call, Q&A, interviewer notes, etc. This is really second to none. Now, on top of all of that, just look at all the options we have here. We have lawyer model, teaching notes, just so much that we can do here. How fantastic is this? I love it, and I know you're going to love it too. Now, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. This is really, really impressive. Meeting minutes, meeting records, client review, investment advisory, power dynamics, intent analysis. There's literally unlimited potential for things you can do and make your own templates. That is really cool too. And like I said, this ties right into your smart device. Okay, you've got your auto flow, so you can just go on automatic, integrate it into things like like a Zoom call, pretty much any type of meeting that you can think of. Boom. You can share your ideas and you can even refer a friend. So they've really just done a lot here. You can see here's all of our files. Tons of capabilities. Unlimited capabilities, notes and everything in between. All right, folks, so now I'm going to give you an example where I would use this in my life as a video editor. So I had previously made this video about Thailand and Cambodia, a border dispute, and let's pretend that I want to get a transcript and a summary of this video. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to turn up the volume, we're going to have our device right nearby, and we're going to go ahead and press play. Let it listen in, and then give me a summary. So it's really, really simple that it can do that all I have to do is press play, and now it's going to listen in. Imagine you can do that with a meeting, with a video, with even a movie. It could summarize the movie for you. Write a news article if you want. Hey folks, Adam here, and people keep asking me, I'm now in the other room, letting it do the work for me. It's literally listening in on the video, taking notes for me, going to write me a summary. I don't have to do anything. So that can be very powerful as a creator. Let's imagine I want it to summarize a 3-hour movie, or I want it to summarize a 2-hour meeting or a class. I want exact notes of everything that was said in that class. That could be great as a legal system too. Like you have somebody doing testimony, go ahead and summarize that and I can go back to different points. Okay, so let's see what it came up with. All right, so it gave me the time and we can add the location. It says Thailand and Cambodia, looking at the temple dispute, very interesting. An overview of a long-standing territorial dispute tensions between Thailand and Cambodia, particularly concerning the Preah Temple. That's good, I didn't know how to spell that. Addressing the question of whether the two nations are having issues. The takeaways, the highlights, the chapters, everything that I need to know is right here summarized for me. How cool is that? Now I can literally go back and listen to it. It gives me the actual audio right there, the transcript verbatim. How cool is this? So I can listen to the whole dang thing and I can just have some takeaway notes. Now I'm going to allow it to use AI as a video creator, and I would do this in real life, and I love this concept. I've asked it to write a script for me, 500 words. The topic is, should I visit Thailand as a tourist from the United States? Is it safe? Include information about tourism safety for foreigners. Also include information about retirement visas. So let's go ahead and I'm going to have it write a script for me for my next video for my travel channel. And that's what's so cool about this is now with this professional level, it can do my work for me. Instead of me doing, days and days of research, it's going to do it for me. So it says it's focusing on crafting the script, keeping it 500 words. I need to address the user's request, formulating the introduction, constructing the initial content. Now it's fleshing out the core content. Now it's contemplating safety and structuring the safety section. So it is literally doing the research as I speak to you and make this video about how I should make my next travel video, refining the structure of the script, structuring script and final review, and here's the response. Are you kidding me? This literally would have taken me days to craft. So it says, hello everyone and welcome. Today we dive into what you need to know. Generally speaking, Thailand is a very safe country for tourists. Millions visit annually without incident. However, being a savvy traveler means being aware of common issues. Petty crimes such as pickpocketing and bag snatching can occur, especially in crowded tourist areas like Bangkok's Khao San Road and Phuket Patong Beach. Always keep your valuables secure and be mindful of your surroundings. So it's writing this 500-word script for me so I don't have to do the work. And this has literally revolutionized my entire business. It's still writing the script for me. So imagine that. This could be writing lectures for you. Maybe you're a preacher and you want it to write your next lecture in front of the entire congregation. Let's imagine you are a business person. You want it to prep your meetings for you or take notes. And it even asks, what should we keep asking? What other popular Southeast Asian destinations should we tour to? What about non-immigration visas? What are some potential scams for tourists? So I can keep going and I can literally have this write my videos for me, and we can edit, we can copy and paste. This is such an incredible platform. Folks, now I've literally asked it to go ahead and give me some additional information that I can use for PowerPoint slides during my presentation. It's going into health, political unrest, cultural etiquette, retiring, eligibility, financial requirements, application status, key documents that you may need, a passport, passport photos, medical certificate, criminal record, proof of financial stability, etc. So this is doing all the work for me. So folks, I need you to think about just how powerful this little device is. You could be in a business meeting. It could listen to the business meeting, summarize the business meeting for you, then come up with ideas for how you could start your own business. What are the next plans of action for launching your restaurant, for starting your own engineering firm, or how to do your accounting? Everything is power packed right in here. This is the professional level. We've never had this sort of technology in the world until just recently, and now it's available for you to carry around with you and for it to do the work for you right in a beautiful app. It'll make your infographics, your mind maps for you, your takeaways, your highlights, and even plan out your next business venture. I wish I could spend hours and hours just coming up with new stuff to show you, but it's practically unlimited what you can do with this level of technology. All right, folks, so my final thoughts are the Plaud Note line is absolutely fantastic. You're not going to go wrong either way. The Plaud Note is great if you want something that's reliable and affordable, and the Note Pro, if you value a smoother usability experience, higher quality audio, and a little extra peace of mind, it's worth the extra $20. Either way, you're investing in a tool that transforms how you remember, document, and share important conversations. And with the upcoming app update, everything is just getting a little better. And that makes me happy, and it should make you happy as well. It's like having your own personal assistant in your pocket, and it's going to make discussions and meetings a whole lot better. So folks, we highly recommend you go pick one up, whether it's the Plaud Note or the Plaud Note Pro. These guys are the absolute best of the best. It's time for you to go ahead and get to shopping. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Go pick one up, and adios, amigos.